Welcome to Back Technomy.
Top 5 Best Self-Cleaning Litter Box for Multiple Cats New Model 2022. We are going to check out Top 5 Best Self-Cleaning Litter Box for Multiple Cats in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out information about this self-cleaning litter box for multiple cats, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Let's start Best 5 Product Review. Starting at number 1.
Product name. Best Odor Control, PETKIT Pura X Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The PETKIT Pura X is remarkably similar to our best overall pick, the Litter Robot 4, using an internal cylinder to fully rotate the litter reservoir so that it passes through a filtration screen and removes clumps of cat waste. Just like the Litter Robot, it can be set to perform this operation manually, on a timer, or automatically after a cat is done using the device. In testing, the Pura X performed with similar excellence. The Pura X operates quietly, is easy to clean, and has an attractive design, which sometimes makes it look like your pooping cat is flying a tiny spaceship. The main downside our tester noted was the smaller entry hole, which was barely more than half the circumference of the wide opening on the Litter Robot 4. This may make the Pura X a less attractive option if you have especially large cats. While the Pura X is suitable for cats up to 18 pounds, one tester had trouble getting all 4 of their cats to consistently use it. What we like: cool, minimalist design. App with lots of data. Fantastic odor control. What we don't like: small entry hole. I encourage you to purchase it if you need it right.
Starting at number 2.
Product name. Best Budget, PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. The PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box senses when your cat has used the litter box, then cleans it 30 minutes later. It operates using a rake, which scrapes across the box, then scoops whatever clumps it catches into a reservoir. One tester summed it up, noting that the PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box doesn't dazzle with bells and whistles, but absolutely does the trick. The PetZone is also surprisingly quiet, raking across the box in a slow cycle that does a good job of catching most waste. The machine comes with 6 plastic bags to get you started. It also includes a carbon zeolite filter, which fits into a bracket on the underside of the waste reservoir lid. What we like: quiet cleaning. Odor absorbing filter. Good, if bare bones, features. Much more affordable than many automatic boxes. What we don't like: no place to store included scoop. Bags could fit waste reservoir better. Very small pieces of waste sometimes slip through rake. I hope this is exactly what you need.
Starting at number 3.
Product name. Best Crystal Litter, Pet Safe Scoop Free Smart Covered Self-Cleaning Litter Box. We reviewed an older version of the Pet Safe Scoop Free Self-Cleaning Litter Box in 2020, and much of what we had to say then still holds true. The main determination you'll need to make is whether or not your cats are ready for Crystal Kitty litter, which uses non-clumping silica beads that absorb liquids, rather than hardening. Crystal litter has several advantages, including strong odor-absorbing capabilities and a lack of dust or grit. However, not every cat likes crystal litter, so there may be an adjustment period. Plus, crystal litter tends to be more expensive. What we like: fantastic at deodorizing. App enables remote control and tracks usage. Doesn't take up much more space than a standard litter box. What we don't like: not all cats like crystal litter. Replacing tray or emptying reservoir is an unwieldy task. It has been selling well in recent times. You can buy it.
Starting at number 4.
Product name. Best Smart Home Ready, Smarty Pair Leos Lu 2. The Smarty Pair Leos Lu 2 is the most affordable of the premium cylinder design automatic litter boxes we recommend, but we found it to be nearly as impressive as the Litter Robot 4 and Pura X. Since it doesn't have the wide open entryway of the Litter Robot 4, the Leos Lu 2 is more comparable to the Pura X in its operation, and was comparable quiet when running a cleaning cycle. Otherwise, it's a familiar design, rotating a barrel so that litter passes through a grate, leaving behind solid clumps, which are dumped into a lower reservoir. What we like: Alexa and Google Voice Control compatible. Large waste reservoir. Quiet. Multiple color options. What we don't like: a little harder to clean than our favorites. I hope you can buy it if you feel good.
Starting at number 5.
Product name. Best overall, Whisker Litter Robot 4. The Whisker Litter Robot 4 is not merely an iterative improvement on our former best overall automatic litter box, the Litter Robot 3 Connect, but a comprehensive upgrade. In lab testing, and throughout weeks of follow-up testing with real cats, our testers expressed repeated admiration for various features, design improvements, and their overall experience using the Litter Robot 4. It's hard not to boggle at the litter robot's high price, but Whisker has pulled out all the stops to justify the premium cost with a premium user experience. It begins with an incredibly easy setup, since the Litter Robot 4 arrives fully assembled in the box. All you need to do is plug it in and download the Whisker app, which is synced using a QR code on the back of the device. What we like. Intuitive interface. Very easy to clean. Operates quietly. Large, inviting opening. Useful app. Thoughtful features, like the night light. What we don't like. Takes up a lot of space. Considering the price and durability, you can definitely buy it.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.